Today I'm going to show how to attach the mobile phase in the HPLC system and start purging and attach the column, and then I'll start the sample. So step by step. So this is called Game Boy. We don't need this now. With this actually like we can control the things, but right now I'm not going to use this one. So I'm going to use mobile phase A, and this is mobile phase B. So you see this cap A and this is cap B, and also the tubing has number A. You see A, and also tubing B also will have the number B. So now we just going to open it and we'll attach this here inside it. Okay, now I'm gonna take out A from there, and this is A, and this is A. And the B, this is B, so I'm going to take out B, and this is B. Another two is okay. Now since we attached two new mobile phase A and B, and this is pump, so we'll open a little bit here. So this is knob to purge this line. Like this line will take some A and it will go through there inside, and it will pass, and also this one with the B, it will pass through this line, and there are some so it need to be like inside those lines. So everything need to be saturated with those lines A and B. That's why purging required, and purging is important for another case. No line should have any bubble. If any line has bubble, then the whole HPLC analysis will be trouble. So now we attached two mobile phase A and B and open this knob to make the purge. Now I'm going to start software and to purge it. Okay, so now go to the quaternary pump, right mouse click, switch on, so it will be green. Once it is green, it will be green like this. So now it is not ready, so it will be green. So you can see A is 100%, and once that is green, then we can change it. So okay, now it became green. So right mouse click, go to method, and remember that this knob is open, like this is tight and so a little bit open. And now since that is open, now put here as a 5 milliliter per minute, 5 milliliter per minute, and start apply. So it will start sound. see the tube, see it is taking the bubble out, so this bubble will be gone with the pump. If you do not do the purging, so this bubble will create a huge problem in the HPLC run. So if you see that this line is going to this pump, and this bubble will be out through the purging, and especially during the purging, so it will be a third line, like it will go there, so it will not go to the direct to the instrument, so from the pump, and there will be a secondary line if you want to see here. So once it is open, so that all those liquid will go there, all those go there, and this pump head, everything will be overcome, and finally it will go here, and then with this open valve, this tube will go there as a purging. So this is important for purging. Once you can see here the A is 100%, so once A is done, then I will select this mark B, and B, this name is not correct, I can change the name. So once I put B tick mark here and I will change 100%, then it will do B for purging, and rate will be the same, 5 milliliter per minute, and it will be done for at least 5 minutes each line. So then purging will be done, and then we will close this knob before starting the instrument. Okay. After 5 minutes, the line A, if you see here, line A is done. Now we will change here B and 100% B, and click apply, and okay, then you'll see this change to B. Okay, and you will always see that when you are purging, the pressure is not like, it will be like point something, 0.1, 0.2, it's fine, but it will not be even 1 bar or something. Okay, so that means your purging knob is open. If it is knob is closed, and if you do purging like with that much flow, 5 milliliter per minute, then pump seal will be broken. So be careful. Always when you do purging, make sure that you open this valve. Especially for this Ezilant kind instrument, you have to open this valve. And if you have water acuity system, you don't need to open any valve or anything. And if you have thermo vanquish system, then there is another system not like this valve. They have a special kind of knob inside the pump, so you have to open the door and you have to open that knob. So everywhere, like especially the thermo vanquish and the Ezilant system, you have to open this. But if you have the acuity HPLC, like I can show you the acuity HPLC, so in that case you don't need to open any valve. It has by default system. So this is the acuity system. You see the acuity and this column manager, PDA detector, and this is the quaternary solvent manager and the sample manager. So this is like pump. So you don't need to open, or you don't need to do anything in that. They have by default system with the software, and it can do the purging automatically. So you don't need to do anything for that. So this is purging. So once the purge is complete, like both line is done, so in that case I will put the flow rate 0 and then apply. Before applying, just hear that it's making sound. This pump is making a certain sound, but once I apply this, then this sound will be stopped. The sound is stopped. That means no flow is going on here. Okay, so that means this is safe. So after apply and okay, then you can also see one thing like 0 bar. like there is no pressure, that means no flow is going on. Okay, and no flow, zero flow. If you see zero flow, zero pressure, that means the purging is done. Then I will close it. So I'll close it, this one. This is not too tight, like just tight, like so that you can open next time. So this is closed, and then I will attach the column, and I'll show how to attach the column and how to run the system with the flow rate, everything. Okay.